I think we should try to be as much as possible dispassionate and restrict ourselves to the law. First question is, does the judge have such powers? The question under Nigerian law, unassailable, yes, he does.
No, but the general rule is that he should not, but in certain instances.
The exceptions to the rule, as for example, in this case, the reason the court has given is that a particular peace movement party, which is yet to be registered, was supposed to be a necessary party and was not being a necessary party. And it also alluded to certain facts that were not given to it. Now, you see, one thing we must avoid is stop politicizing our judicial, the outcomes of judicial pronouncements. When it favors this party, this was to say judiciary is the greatest hope for the common man. This former vice president, Atiku Abubakar, has been a major beneficiary of the pronouncement of the judiciary. He cannot interpret, and it is wrong, and it's unstatemanly for you to describe a certain judgment as being an act of President Tinubu. It's wrong. It does not in any way promote, democratic principles or the democratic, values when you attribute, judgments that are made that do not favor you. For example, the NDC must acknowledge that when this judge, made a pronouncement, gave a judgment that favored it, and INEC automatically obeyed it, how much did they praise that judge to high heavens?
But I'm going to come to the
point. So I have given you, the reason why the court, had made that pronouncement. So you see, the truth about it is that we must, like I said in my opening statement, avoid intimidating the judiciary. Judges won't come here on this platform.
So are you saying he was right to,
and again,
to rescind himself?
Of course, in law he has the powers. He didn't make the application. The application came from a third party. A party applied to it. And that's one thing. You see,
but the opposition is arguing that even the PMP is not a registered political party.
You see, the interesting
and not even an association.
The
that's what
thing you must appreciate in practice is that when there is an application before a court, the court must make a pronouncement on it.
Okay.
So, and the court is, subject and influenced by facts and material facts that are placed before it that we on this other side are not privy to. When the court makes a decision, it is based on certain things that, especially the aptitude of the judge, is very, very important, and then which informs his discretion. And once that decision is made, we abide by it. Let me tell you something: we must imbibe a culture that respects the rule of law, and it comes with a huge sacrifice. Sometimes it favors you. At that time, you must also praise the court.
Okay, I hope you're not
if
saying.
It doesn't favor
I hope you're not saying we can't question certain judgments.
There is a procedure for it.